Hi, good afternoon. As I told you that I will take you to the different projects. So right now we are a new place in Zad next to the Marmara Sea, close to the highway. And you can see these buildings are already, and 90% is completed and they are ready for the position. So here we have a different opportunity for the investment where you can do the investment. We have few left, 2-bedroom and 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom. So this is a very good investment opportunity in Zad area next to the Marmara Sea, and we will take you to some demo apartment where you can see what type of the construction. And here in front of us is the main highway, and next to that is the Marmara Sea. So we will take you to the model apartment. These apartment just a show apartment, so we have a very few availability, but since the construction you can see now is 90% has been completed. Very good investment opportunity, and you can do it 100% guarantee. So right now we are in the tower. This is basically the reception and the lobby area. You can see the construction work is already almost close to the finish. We will take you to the demo apartment where you can see, and that's why we are recommending the project. Already is near to completion, and this is a good time to invest here. Your investment will be safe and secure, and you can get the benefit from this property. Hi viewers, Miss Huda with us. She will showing us this luxurious
sample apartments for 4.5 plus 1.
4.5 plus 1 bedroom apartment. Please.
Okay. This is basically the entrance. The door is gonna look the same as this one.
Okay.
As soon as you go to the house, you have here a full smart home system, which you can control everything: the light, the heating, the cooling system, and you can even reserve your place in the spa. Okay. For the walls, they're gonna look like this in 4.5 plus 1 and 5 plus 1. For the ceiling, for the ground, and everything else, it's gonna be the same, starting from 1 plus 1 all the way to 5 plus 1.
Okay, so right now we are in the 5 plus 1.
We are in a 4.5 plus 1.
4.5 plus 1.
Yes. All the apartments have marble on the floor.
Okay.
Wallpapers. Okay.
Fantastic.
And the same ceiling is gonna be in all the apartments. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna start from here.
Okay.
Here we have a walk-in closet.
Okay.
The walk-in closet is gonna come ready, like without all of these things existing here, like clothes and things.
Okay.
But it's gonna come with all the wood inside.
Okay. Okay. So like these fittings will be here.
Yes, the fittings will be here.
Okay.
Okay. So everything is gonna exist in the apartment except for like furniture and movable stuff. Like
Okay.
this one is
Okay.
just decoration, so you get inspired. Okay.
The rest looks very beautiful.
The first room basically is a maid room.
Okay, this is the maid room.
Yes.
Wow, what a luxurious maid
exactly.
room.
She has her own bathroom.
Fantastic. Wow, what a luxurious maid room.
It is.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it's a laundry room. So basically, you're gonna have spaces for the laundry machine,
Okay.
for the washing machine and everything.
Fantastic.
Okay. Let's move.
So,
This is the first bathroom.
okay.
This is the
So this is like a powder room.
Yes.
Okay. This
It's
is
gonna
powder.
come exactly the same as this one. Same colors, same finishing, same quality, and same brands.
Fantastic.
From the floor to the ceiling. Okay. Next on, we have the kitchen. There is a slide door for the kitchen for more space at the apartment.
Okay.
As soon as you go to the kitchen, here you have a space for the fridge.
Wow, it's a huge refrigerator.
Yes, we don't deliver the fridge, but we deliver you basically the space of the fridge, so you can put your fridge inside. There is no project here in Turkey that delivers the fridge.
Okay. But these sizes are available
Yes.
in the market, right?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Oh, so basically we deliver the oven.
Okay.
The coffee machine is not delivered.
Okay. This you are delivering.
This one is
you are-
delivered.
Okay.
Basically the same brand. It's
Okay.
okay. This one is gonna be here, of course.
Okay. This will be here.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going with the same brand, which is Gagano, which is one of the most important brands here in Turkey.
Okay.
It's imported from Germany, of course. Here you have the washing machine with the same brand, of course.
Dishwasher.
Yes, the dishwasher with the same brand. And we also deliver this and that.
Okay. Fantastic. So you have a small breakfast area?
No, small breakfast area, but we don't deliver the table.
Okay.
I told you the movable stuff,
Okay.
the things that you can move, basically, this
Okay.
is counted as furniture.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you have a very good view from here. Like ladies who is doing cooking, they can enjoy the Marmara Sea view. So we will go to.
We're gonna go now to the living room.
We're going to the living room. Wow, beautiful living room
Yes.
with 360 with a dining table.
It's a
Fantastic.
panoramic sea view basically from floor to ceiling because our project is fully glass.
Ah, okay. So it's a double layer glass.
Yes. 7.9 millimeters.
Okay, okay. So you are next to the highway and very close to the metro station.
Even the ceiling comes like this.
Okay.
So basically when you see from here, this is marble, okay? This is a ceramic that looks like parquet. This is
Okay.
not parquet, it's
Okay,
ceramic.
it's a ceramic, but
It's
it will
ceramic.
look like a parquet.
Yes, because we have underneath heating system.
Okay, okay. So because they have also underneath in the floor the heating system where you can warm your apartment as per the requirement, and they have the smart system in the each apartment. Okay, so
Okay, we will move now basically to the bedrooms.
okay,
Here you're gonna have sensitive lights that turn by themselves at night and turn off by themselves.
okay, fantastic.
Okay. The wallpaper comes with the apartment. We don't deliver white walls. We deliver wallpapers.
Okay,
Okay. This is the first bedroom.
okay.
It comes with its own bathroom.
Bedroom with the attached bath. It's very reasonable size for the bathroom. And the bedroom itself has a spacious size plus fantastic view
Sea view.
of the sea view. Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna move to the second one, which is office. But of course you can use it as another
Okay.
bedroom.
Basically, this one is a study, or you can use as a bedroom, whatever it is. So it's also good size. You can use as a kid room.
This is the second bathroom.
Okay, this is another bathroom. Okay, the lights behind the doors are also with the property.
This is the third bedroom.
This is the third bedroom. Third bedroom with the cupboard. It's a good size cupboard. And it's a fantastic location. Please, we have to move to
The master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Okay. Now we are into the master bedroom.
On your right, on my left, we have the bathroom, the master bedroom.
Okay.
The floor is marble.
Uh-huh.
It comes exactly like it is.
Okay.
You have a walk-in closet.
Okay. This property is a fantastic location, and the price is starting from $750,000, and this is a very good investment opportunity in Zeytinburnu area, next to the Marmara Sea, close to the metro station, and the construction is 90% has been finished. So I will request my investor to invest in this project because this is one of the best projects and almost is close to the completion and next to the handover. So this is a very good investment opportunity for the investor. I just come to know there is 1 bedroom hall is finished. So they left few 2 bedroom apartment, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom plus. If the people who want to move with the family in this area, so this is a very good investment opportunity. Second, this is a gated community for the 6 to 7 towers. So this will be the gated community, 6 to 7 towers, and I recommend to my investor invest in this project because the project is close to the completion. Your investment will 100% safe and secure. You can get the rental income if you want to rent out the property. Plus, you can get more benefit as per the Turkish government giving us the passport and the residence visa. Till my next video with the next project. Bye.